Welcome to Sterile Pro Learning. Today we will discuss surgical instrumentation, focusing on instrument identification, care, inspection and common defects. These are essential topics for CSSD professionals to ensure patient safety and instrument functionality. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify surgical instruments, understand their anatomy, recognize common defects, apply proper care techniques, and perform effective inspections. Surgical instruments are specialized tools used by surgeons to perform procedures. CSSD plays a critical role in ensuring these instruments are cleaned, inspected, sterilized and ready for safe patient use. Surgical instruments are classified based on their function. These include cutting and dissecting instruments, grasping and holding instruments, clamping instruments, retractors, suture instruments and suction instruments. Most surgical instruments have common parts including the ring handle, ratchet, shank, box lock, jaw and tip. Understanding these components helps us inspect instruments correctly. Proper identification ensures correct tray assembly and traceability. Instruments can be identified by their name, manufacturer markings, catalog numbers and barcode or RFID tracking system. Common surgical instruments include Mayo scissors for cutting, Metzabnum scissors for delicate tissue, Kelly mosquito forceps for clamping vessels, Alice and Babcock forceps for tissue handling, and needle holders for suturing. Most instruments are made from stainless steel due to its durability and corrosion resistance. Some specialized instruments contain titanium or tungsten carbide for improved performance. Proper care begins at the point of use. Instruments should be kept moist, cleaned according to the manufacturer's instructions, dried thoroughly and lubricated when necessary. Every instrument must be inspected for cleanliness, alignment, sharpness, corrosion, cracks, and functionality. Damaged instruments should never be sterilized or used. Common defects include rust, pitting, staining, loose joints, worn ratchets, broken tips, and misalignment. These defects can affect instrument performance and patient safety. Corrosion and pitting often result from poor cleaning, blood residue, mineral deposits or improper drying. Prevention requires proper cleaning, rinsing and drying procedures. Insulated instruments used in electrosurgery must be checked carefully. Cracked or damaged insulation can lead to accidental burns and patient injury. Routine maintenance includes lubrication, functional testing, inspection, repair, and documentation. A preventive maintenance program extends instruments' life. Tracking systems such as barcodes and RFID improve traceability, inventory management, and quality assurance within the CSSD. Important quality indicators include tray accuracy, instrument defect rates, repair frequency, and customer satisfaction. Correct identification, proper care through inspection, and early detection of defects are essential responsibilities of CSSD professionals. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more CSSD related videos.